thing.
It really does. I found that absolutely fascinating when I...
Master English before 2026 with our channel.
It is freezing today. I wish I brought my jacket. Did you lock the car?
Yeah, it's locked. Look at this parking lot. It is absolutely packed. I'm glad we came early.
Early? It's 2 p.m. We are lucky we found a spot near the door.
Okay, watch out for that car backing out.
I see him. Okay, let's grab a cart.
Ugh, look at this. They're all stuck together. Why do people push them in so hard?
Here, let me try. You pull the front, I'll pull the handle. 1, 2, 3, pull!
It's stuck. Try the next row.
Okay, this one looks loose. Do you have the coin?
I checked my pockets in the car. I have a receipt, a gum wrapper. Here, a quarter/pound coin. Insert it.
Did it click?
Yeah. Pulling the chain. Okay, we are free. We are free, starts pushing. Wait, stop. We need to wipe the handle.
Oh, right. Where are the wipes?
Over there, by the door. They walk to the sanitary station.
Here, give me one. It's sticky. Okay, nice and clean. Ready?
Oh no. Listen to that sound.
What?
Squeak, squeak, squeak.
Is it the wheel?
Yeah, the front left wheel is wobbly. It keeps pulling me to the left side. It's so annoying.
Do you want to go back and get a different one?
No, I already put the coin in. I don't want to do it again. I'll just deal with it. Okay, first stop, bananas. These look perfect, no spots.
Wait, don't get those. They are too yellow.
What? Yellow is the color of a banana, Ben.
Yeah, but if they are yellow now, they will be brown and mushy by Wednesday. Get the green ones.
I can't eat a green banana. They taste like chalk. I want to eat one in the car on the way home.
Okay, compromise. Get 3 yellow ones for today and tomorrow, and get a separate bunch of green ones for the end of the week.
Fine. That is actually smart. She picks 2 bunches. Can you put them in the cart gently? Don't just throw them in. I hate bruised bananas.
I am placing them gently. See? Like a baby. Next item, apples. We need a bag of gala apples.
They're over there, the red and yellow ones. Anna tries to pull a plastic bag from the roll. Ugh, I hate these plastic bags. I can never open them.
You have to lick your finger. It helps the grip.
I am not licking my finger in a supermarket. That's gross. She rubs the bag frantically. Okay, got it. She reaches for an apple from the bottom of the pyramid.
Anna, don't pull from the bottom.
Oops. I got it.
Is it bruised?
It has a little dent. It's fine. I'll buy this one. I'm not going to put it back. That's rude.
Okay, just grab 4 more. And please, take them from the top.
Tomatoes. We need them for the pasta sauce. She picks up a package of vine-ripened tomatoes. These smell amazing. Look, they're still on the vine.
Put those down. Look at the price. $4.50 for a pack?
They're organic, Ben. They taste better.
Look at the loose tomatoes right next to them. Standard tomatoes. $1.99 a kilo. That is less than half the price.
But look at them. They look pale. They look sad.
They will be crushed into a sauce. You won't see them. We're on a budget. Get the sad tomatoes.
Fine, but I'm getting the organic cucumber. The regular ones are covered in wax. I hate that waxy feeling.
Okay, the organic cucumber is only 50 cents more. I allow it.
Do we need avocados for toast?
Yes, but picking an avocado is a lottery. You never know if it's good inside.
Here, let me teach you. It's the squeeze test. She picks one up. Squeeze gently. She squeezes. This one is rock hard. It's a weapon. Not ready.
Try this one.
Ugh, too soft. My thumb went right in. It's probably brown inside.
What about this?
Okay, it gives a little bit. It feels firm but not hard. This is the one. Perfect for tomorrow.
You are the avocado whisperer. Into the cart. Okay, we need to weigh the sad tomatoes and the onions.
You do it. I don't know the code.
Okay, search for tomato loose. Beep.
Don't put the sticker on the tomato. Put it on the bag.
I know. Sticks label on bag. There, we're done with produce.
My hands are cold from touching the vegetables.
Well, bad news. The next aisle is the meat and dairy section. It's basically a refrigerator.
Let's run through it.
Okay, item number 3. Ground beef. Minced beef. We need 500 grams for the pasta sauce.
Look at this one. It's on sale.
20% fat? No way. That is too fatty. When you cook it, the pan will be full of grease.
But the lean beef, the 5% fat, is $2 more. I thought we were on a budget.
Some things are worth paying for, Anna. I don't want greasy pasta. Grab the 5% lean mince.
Okay, fine. What about chicken?
We need chicken for the stir-fry on Tuesday.
I'll grab the chicken breasts. They are the healthiest.
No, get the chicken thighs.
Thighs? Why? They have bones in them. It's too much work to cut.
First, they are half the price. Second, they are juicier. Chicken breast gets dry if you cook it too long. Thighs stay moist.
Boneless, skinless chicken thighs. Okay, you win. They are cheaper. Into the cart. Stop the cart!
What? What is it? Did I hit someone?
Look! The magic words, free samples.
Anna, we don't have time for snacks.
It's a new type of cheddar cheese. Oh my God, Ben, you have to try this. It's smoky.
I'm not hungry.
Just try it. Open your mouth.
Okay. That is actually really good. It's very sharp.
Right? We should buy a block. It would be great on sandwiches.
$6 for this tiny block? Absolutely not. Put it back.
But you said you liked it.
I like Ferraris too, but I don't buy them. Let's go. Okay, aisle 5, dry goods. We need pasta for the sauce.
Spaghetti?
I hate eating spaghetti. It's messy. It splashes sauce on my shirt. Let's get a short shape.
How about penne, the tubes?
Yeah, penne is good. Or fusilli, the spirals. The sauce sticks to the spirals better.
Okay, fusilli it is.
Wait, look down. Look at the bottom shelf.
The store brand?
It is exactly the same product, Anna. It's just in a plain white bag. It is 90 cents cheaper.
Are you sure? The expensive one looks yellower.
It's dried flour and water. It all tastes the same when you boil it. Get the cheap one.
Fine, but I am getting the expensive sauce. I'm not buying value sauce. It tastes like ketchup.
Agreed. Good pasta sauce is essential. Get the one with the garlic and basil.
Okay, breakfast. We're out of cereal. Ooh, Choco Puffs.
Anna, are you 5 years old? Put that down.
But it turns the milk chocolatey. It's delicious.
Turn the box around. Read the label. Nutrition facts. How much sugar per serving?
It says 15 grams of sugar.
That is a dessert, not a breakfast. Look at this one. Bran flakes.
Ugh, bran flakes? That tastes like cardboard. It's basically bird food.
It has 10 grams of fiber. It keeps you full until lunch. The Choco Puffs will make you crash by 10 a.m.
Okay, how about a compromise? We get the honey nut granola. It's healthy and sweet.
Still a lot of sugar, but okay. It has oats. It's better than the Choco Puffs. Get the family size bag. It's better value.
Oh my gosh, it is freezing in here. Look, I have goosebumps.
Walk faster then. It keeps you warm. Okay, we need frozen peas and corn.
Why frozen? Why not fresh?
Frozen vegetables are actually very healthy. They freeze them immediately after picking them, so they keep the nutrients. Plus, they don't rot in the fridge.
He grabs a bag of mixed veg. Anna, look.
No ice cream. It will melt in the car.
But it's cookie dough explosion, and it's a family-sized tub.
Anna, we are adults. We don't need explosion ice cream. Fine, get the small tub, the pint size, not the bucket.
Yes, you are the best. Let's get out of here. My nose is running, it's so cold.
Last stop, milk and eggs.
Grab the blue carton, 2% fat.
Wait, habit check. He puts it back and reaches his arm deep into the back of the shelf.
Why do you always do that? You look like you are robbing the fridge.
Look at the date on the front one, best before October 12th. That's in 3 days. Now look at the one from the back, October 20th. Supermarkets always put the old milk at the front, so you buy it first. It's called rotation.
Okay, smart guy. Grab the fresh one. I'm checking the eggs. No cracks. They look safe. Let's go. I want to go home. Oh no. Look at the lines. They are huge.
Lane 4 looks okay. Put the divider bar down. Separation is important. I don't want to pay for that guy's dog food.
Okay, heavy stuff first. Milk, potatoes, jars. Fragile stuff last. Eggs and bread on top.
Untangle the bags, Anna. The cashier is fast. We need to be ready to pack.
I'm trying. The knot is tight. The conveyor belt moves. Buzz.
Hello.
Hi there. Just these, thanks.
Beep, beep, beep. Do you have a loyalty card?
Yes. It's on the app. 1 second. The screen is too dark.
Scanning the ice cream. Beep. That will be $92.50.
Under $100. We did it. Card, please.
Would you like a receipt?
No thanks. To Anna. Pack faster. The bread is getting squished by the onions. I'm going as fast as I can. You didn't open the bag for me.
Okay. Grab the eggs. Don't drop them. They load the cart.
Whew. That was stressful. I hate the checkout.
We survived, and we stayed under budget.
And I got my ice cream. Everyone wins. Doors slide open. Wind noise. Back into the cold. Do you remember where we parked?
No.